So I thought nothing would happen. I really thought that I will already see them guys on my account, but this is even more cool.
Greetings YouTube and welcome back. In today's video, I'm about to show you how we can get free money and free dice rolls in Monopoly Go for both iOS and Android devices. And you can get them just by clicking on your phone without a single minute of grinding, guys. 3 or 4 minutes will be needed of your time and it will all be worth it by the end of it because we will have free money and free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. So let's go.
We are loading up on Monopoly Go right now, guys, just to see if we will get those free dice rolls and free money. And if everything goes according to plan, I will show you the full step-by-step process that I've done and how I got it. So I thought nothing would happen. I really thought that I will already see them guys on my account, but this is even more cool. To see them propel like that, it just being gathered within a few simple clicks, it will all be possible. So let me not waste your time. Let me show you how we can do it. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Then open up any browser, but search for monopolygo.org. Right there, guys, you can see that we already have dice rolls and money selected like that. So you can select both of them and just select the max amounts because you can always go back and repeat this over and over again. So now make sure to enter your username or the mobile device that you're on as well, because it is all very important and it will lead us directly to the verification process. So this protocol needs to be completed. Do not close this page as we are very close to that verification. So we will deploy our resources and boom, scroll down a bit, click here, and we have the last step, which will ask of us to either complete 2 questionnaires where we will open them up and answer a bunch of questions, follow them up, answer them, and complete them. That is how you complete it and get the free dice rolls and free money in Monopoly Go. Or you can go ahead and open up some apps. From here, you will be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure to download them, install, and play 3 games for 5 minutes each for Best Play or for Family Island, reach level 11. So that is all reachable fast, guys, or just go ahead and complete the questionnaires. It will be much faster way for you to do it like that. So make sure to follow it up, guys, either the questionnaires or the apps, complete it and enjoy playing Monopoly Go with the free resources. That is all. I hope everything was useful. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Peace.